dark. Races in the dark. My heart, it fits and starts. My fingers drum.
The night sleepless as a quark, says Descartes.
Drum, drum.
Thinking in the dark, dark.
Drum.
Sleepless thus I chart.
My stomach barks.
Dark, therefore, Descartes. My breath it hums. Tired walking in the park, hums, hums.
Drum.
Walking in the park, park, and sleep remarks. Walking in the dark, your nuts are stark. Throwing darts and darts and darts and darts and darts. Night sleepless as a quark.
Fingers drum.
Hot milk with rum. Breath that hums.
Rum. Races in the dark.
Larks and larks and larks. Larks and larks. Sleeping pills. Sleeping pills. And recordings of the ocean's waves. And elixirs.
And exercise.
And chamomile. And elixir.
And exercise.
And chamomile. And books. Wittgenstein. He's always good for snooze.
He's dark material. Better not. I'll be up all night.
Charles Dickens was an insomniac too. And then there's this, or maybe this.
Or this. I put a piece of paper. I put a piece of paper.
I put a piece of paper under my pillow, and when I could not sleep, I wrote in the dark,
Henry David Thoreau.
He wrote in the dark.
What did he write in the dark?
Walden and civil disobedience.
Civil disobedience.
In the dark. If I slip
A piece of paper.
a piece of paper under my pillow,
A piece of paper.
it said to write on, I'll know.
And when I could not sleep,
And when I cannot sleep,
I wrote in the
I
dark.
can write my darkest, dearest, wildest, littlest thoughts in the dark. I'll write reams and books. I'll dream paper dreams.
Write reams and books.
Of nothing. I'll write paper dreams. I'll write dreams and books. Of nothing.
I'll dream paper dreams of nothing.
Of nothing. Of nothing. And I'll sleep. And I'll sleep.
And I'll sleep.
And you'll sleep.